Alright, so it's Monday around 5 p.m. I just got home. I'm gonna have a little bit of that Mexican soup, just maybe half a bowl, just enough to get kind of full. I think later I'm gonna get some tortilla chips, maybe make some nachos or um, I don't know. I'm craving like tortilla chips, but and then after that I'm gonna take an hour nap, and then I'm gonna get ready to do my laundry. I was supposed to do my laundry yesterday, but I didn't have time, so I gotta do my laundry tonight, guys. All right, so I'm eating the soup right now. This is how much I have left over. Whatever I don't eat today, I'm going to freeze the rest because I've had this for 3 days already, so that's all I really need.
I'm going to go get a napkin, okay? I'll be... I didn't find hot mustard sauce.
And I'm watching Ree's Mukbang. She just uploaded a video eating chili dogs, french fries, onion rings, salad from a local place in our area. I like when people upload local places in the area versus like fast food restaurants, but it looks really good. The chili cheese dog. I think I might do a chili cheese dog soon. This is exciting. Alright guys, it's about 9 p.m. right now on a Monday night. I came home, I just finished my laundry. It was really cool because I got this laundry mat a lot. It's like 5 minutes or less down the street from where I live at. And I saw a coworker there at my cashier job. So that was cool, we talked. So what happened was I went to do my laundry and I went to wash my clothes and I left, rode across the street to CVS. Got some congrats cards for the upcoming gift cards I'll be doing. And I came back to laundromat and I saw a coworker from my cashier job. So usually I just like will put my clothes in the dryer and just leave and come back, but she was there, so I talked to her for, you know, a good 45 minutes. So it's really cool. Oh, I wanted to talk about this movie I got that I saw. It's called Game Night. So yeah, this is called Game Night. I saw this great movie last night. I want to talk to you guys about it. It was a really good movie. It had everything to it. Probably give it 5 out of 5. It was just really well executed. Had a lot of comedy. It was very funny. A lot of suspense. Basically, it's about a bunch of friends, and they have game nights. And now when this guy Jason Bateman's in here, when he invites his brother, it gets kind of serious and dangerous. I don't know if I want to tell you like what goes on, but it's really interesting. I really liked it. It has a great twist ending. It's a perfect movie, especially if you like comedies. I think it's pretty funny. So I would recommend this movie if you haven't seen it. But now I'm going to take a bath, and I think I'm going to have my favorite ice cream. I got it at Safeway. It's so good. I'm going to finish uploading or editing my video of my Valentine's video and upload it to YouTube tonight. So that's my plan tonight, guys. Guys, let me show you my snack tonight. I'm having coffee. Probably not the best mix. I'm having coffee and this bourbon maple ice cream from Safeway. It's really good. Hopefully I won't eat the whole thing tonight. That'd be really bad. Maybe I'll eat half of it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna do that as I edit my so I just uploaded my Valentine's videos ready to go for Valentine's Day, and now I'm gonna edit my vlog. I'm super excited about doing that. Alright guys, so today I just had to go back in the box and do a chicken fajita. I was kind of craving something a little bit on the healthy side, and Jack in the Box has this thing called chicken fajita. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It comes with this amazing salsa, the same salsa from the breakfast burritos, but it's really good. It's like a pita with grilled chicken and cheese and lettuce. Pita's kind of coming apart right now, but it has grilled chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese. And you just basically add the salsa. And it's really good, guys. So that's my lunch today. Hey guys, it's Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. I'm about ready to get a facial today after work. I'm super excited. I haven't had a facial in a while. Yeah, we'll just see what my face looks like after the facial. Alright guys, I just came back from my facial. I think she did a pretty good job. She did 75 minutes, so it was pretty good. I think I'll probably go see her again. I checked her brochure. She's kind of pricey, but if she does another group, I might see her again. Now, it's about 7:15 p.m. right now. I'm going to go to Nations. I'm going to do a video for you guys. It's a burger joint in my area. I want to show you what we have in the Bay Area. Alright guys, it is Saturday around 1:30 p.m. I just finished one Reiki session, not too bad. She bought a 5-session package. I gave her a really good discount. I think she says she's really noticing a difference with the Reiki sessions. So she says she is going to book another package. She's really enjoying it. But right now, I don't have to work until 4:45 today. So right now, I'm going to go to Trader Joe's, get some food, and I'm thinking I might make a shrimp stir fry for my lunch today. So guys, I decided to go to Trader Joe's. This is a Saturday before the Super Bowl, and the parking lot was crazy at Trader Joe's. So I was really craving a turkey sandwich. Basically what's on here is like mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, mustard, a little mustard, onions, pickles, you know. So I would do a little mukbang video for you guys, maybe a short mukbang video. I kind of feel bad because I think this vlog is really boring. I didn't really do a lot this week, and not a lot was happening this week for me, so. But here's my turkey sandwich. I prefer Subway than Togo's. I don't know, I just feel like Subway has more fresher sandwiches. But this week I didn't do hardly anything. I didn't do hardly any cooking. Nobody came to my house. I didn't go to anybody's house. So it's just really boring week for me. You know, some weeks are gonna be like that. It's really boring. Some will have a lot of stuff to do. So. So guys, I want to talk to you about my, so next week, on my cashier job, guys, I have to work 5 days a week. It's gonna be a little bit tough. I'm not gonna have hardly any time to relax. I only have 2 days to relax. I don't have no days off next week, just 2 evenings free. It's gonna be tough. So the reason why I'm working 5 days, because originally I was off Monday through Thursday next week. Okay, so that'll be cool. I'll just have a lot of time to relax. Maybe do more videos, or maybe do more home cooking, you know. So this cashier asked me, she said, hey Karen, can you work Tuesday night any possible way? I have to work late at my, because she has 2 jobs. I have to work late at my other job, and I can't make it. And I felt kind of bad for it. Yeah, sure, I'm off for days. It's 7 to 11. It'll be an easy shift, I think. So we go on the computer and we have a manager. We kind of have a manager switch the days for us. And he's like, damn, Karen, you have no hours this week. You want some hours? I'm like, sure. So he put me on Thursday night is from 6 to 11 as well. So now I only have Monday and Wednesday off. I usually have Mondays, Tuesdays, and Mondays off, but I guess I'm just gonna have extra hours next week. So I'll be a busy week, but at least I did my laundry today. I don't have to do my laundry on Monday night. If I don't have time to do my laundry the weekends, I'll do Monday night, and then like that's just my whole night of relaxation. I just have no time to relax. So I think Monday, I'm still really behind on my videos. I'm not gonna do any more videos this week because I don't have any. I have to edit 3 or 4 videos on my phone. So if I can just take the time to edit videos, then I'll probably do that this week. Edit videos. Don't make any new ones yet. So I'm not really feeling really good this week. Very, very low energy. Usually when that happens, I've been taking a lot of vitamins. It's a sign that I'm getting sick, and I've been feeling kind of a symptoms of maybe being sick, a little dizzy, a little headaches. And I want to review the new taco, like nacho fries thing with the buffalo sauce, but I'm just not feeling up to it right now. So I thought a homemade turkey sandwich would be good. This is so good. I'm so mad that Trader Joe's was so busy today. I wanted to get some stuff. I had a list. I wanted to get veggie burgers. I was going to get some salad. Okay, maybe I'll go Monday night and go to Trader Joe's. I probably just did Monday night instead. I was just gonna get like a lot. I was gonna get some healthy snacks in the evenings when I come home from my cashier job. I just wanted to snack on some junk food. I thought I got some healthy snacks at Trader Joe's. All right, I have to work about in 2 hours. I want to go home, take a little nap, and get ready for work. That's my day, guys. All right, guys. It's Saturday night at 11:50 p.m. I decided to go to Safeway tonight after work, because tomorrow is Super Bowl and it's gonna be so crazy shopping. I went to Trader Joe's earlier, I couldn't find one parking spot, so I went almost midnight. I'm home, but I got some stuff. I needed some Best Foods mayonnaise, and luckily at Safeway you buy one get one for free, so that was a great deal. And this butter was also on sale for $2.99. I got some pork sausage. Oh, I'm making a breakfast casserole tomorrow, and for my friend, and he wanted to try it out, so that's why I brought the breakfast. That's why I got the pork sausage. I have some more organic half and half. Tissues. I have some San Francisco extra sourdough bread. I thought that'd be really good on the side for the casserole. This was $1.49, this pizza, and it was pretty good last time. It was a pretty good deal, so I got another one of these. An onion for the breakfast casserole tomorrow. Also for the breakfast casserole, it's potatoes with onions and peppers. It's pretty good. Alright guys, I think that's going to end it for this week. I know it wasn't very productive. I didn't do a bunch. It wasn't very entertaining. I don't think it was. I didn't do a bunch, but that's going to end it for the vlog. I hope next week will be a better vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.